Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam when it's not opening. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the task manager, press it, and then here you have to find the Steam process. And when you find it, you have to close the task like this, and then you have to press Windows key plus R, and then you have to write local app data. So once this Windows open, you have to find Steam and you have to delete this folder. Once you have done that, you can open Steam again. And as you can see, Steam is opening correctly, so there is no problem anymore. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell and the subscription button, and remember that we have a lot of tutorials on how to fix problems with Steam or anything else. Goodbye and easy way.